Hello and welcome to this video on the essential machine learning algorithms every AI engineer should know. Today, we'll go through the different types of machine learning algorithms grouped under supervised, unsupervised, and other specialized categories. By the end, you will have a solid understanding of the key algorithms and their implementation. Let's get started. First, let's start with supervised learning algorithms. These algorithms are trained on labeled data, which means we already know the target outcomes. Supervised learning is often used for tasks like prediction, classification, and regression. Here are the main algorithms you should know under supervised learning. So first, main category is regression algorithms, which has linear regression, ridge and lasso regression, polynomial regression, and then we have classification algorithms, which has logistic regression, k nearest neighbors or KNN, support vector machines SVM, decision trees, random forest, gradient boosting, and naive Bayes. So these are the main algorithms that we will be looking over in supervised learning algorithms. Next, let's go to unsupervised learning algorithms. These algorithms work with unlabeled data, discovering hidden patterns or structures. Unsupervised learning is often used for clustering, dimensionality reduction, and anomaly detection. Here are the key algorithms in this particular category. We have divided again into two different categories. One, clustering algorithms. They are k-means clustering, hierarchical clustering, DB-scan or density-based spatial clustering of applications with noise, Gaussian mixture models or GMM. And we also have dimensionality reduction algorithms. These are principal component analysis or PCA, t-distributed stochastic neighbor embedding or t-SNE, and autoencoders. So these are the unsupervised learning algorithms which we will be learning about implementation. Next, we have other specialized categories. Now, let's talk about some other specialized machine learning algorithms that don't fit strictly into the supervised or unsupervised categories. These algorithms are designed for specific types of tasks or data. The ones that we will be looking are divided into four categories. First one is semi-supervised learning, and we will be looking at self-training. We have reinforcement learning, where we will be learning about Q learning, deep Q networks or DQN, policy gradient methods, and then we have anomaly detection algorithms, under which we will learn one class SVM, isolation forest, and finally we have the neural networks, which is deep learning, and here we will look at convolutional neural networks or CNNs, recurrent neural networks RNNs, long short term memory LSTM, and transformers. And that's it. Here, we will cover a comprehensive list of essential machine learning algorithms that an AI engineer should know, organized into supervised, unsupervised, and specialized categories. Now, each of these algorithms has its strengths and ideal use cases, from basic prediction to handling complex high dimensional data. So let's get started into implementation of these algorithms.